In this video, I'll show you how to reset network settings on your MacBook. If your Wi-Fi is not working properly, your Mac keeps disconnecting, or websites are not loading correctly, resetting your network settings can help fix the problem. Now, macOS does not have one simple Reset Network Settings button like an iPhone, but you can still reset your network by removing your Wi-Fi connection and adding it again. To get started, click on the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen. Then click on System Settings. Once System Settings opens, go to the left-hand side and click on Wi-Fi. Now, find the Wi-Fi network you are currently connected to. Click on Details next to your Wi-Fi network. Scroll down and click Forget this network. Then confirm by clicking Remove or Forget. This will remove the saved Wi-Fi network from your MacBook. After that, go back to the Wi-Fi page and reconnect to your network again. Select your Wi-Fi name, enter the password, and click Join. This will create a fresh connection and can help fix many common network problems. You can also restart your Mac after doing this to make sure everything refreshes properly. Another thing you can try is renewing your IP address. To do that, go back to your Wi-Fi network, click Details, then click TCP/IP. From here, click Renew DHCP Lease, then press OK, and that's it. You've successfully reset your network connection on your MacBook. Now you can test your internet again by opening Safari or any browser and loading a website. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.